What's up guys, today we're making a Viking camp chair. Now these go by a lot of different names: Viking chair, camp chair, bog chair, stargazer chairs. They have a lot of different names, but it's basically what it is. It's a simple camp chair, one board build. So you take one big board, you cut it down to two pieces. One becomes a seat, one becomes a backboard, and then that's basically it. It's just two pieces. And it's pretty simple to make, but I'm going to be a bit extra and go that extra mile, and we're going to stain it, we're going to do some carving, we're going to do some epoxy work that you know I like to do. So it should be pretty fun, and I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys like this video, I'll link it in the description and at the end of the video, two videos that I watched. One by Four Oaks Crafts, that he does a really nice, simple camp chair. And then the Viking woodsmith, who does some really good work. He does one that has a lot of ornate carving. Comes out very beautiful. It's really wonderful. Go check it out. And that way you guys can get inspired and maybe make your own. Okay, to kind of just give you guys an overview of what I'm doing here, because I don't really have the space to be showing it all. But all right, so what I got here is a 2-inch thick by 12-inch wide piece of pine that was 8 foot long. I got it at my local Home Depot, and I just haven't cut it down into two 36-inch long pieces. So what I'm going to do, I've already marked out the lines, so I'm just going to go over them with a Sharpie so you can see how I did it. So basically I went 12 inches up, and then I marked a line for where the seat is going to be. So right there, and then I went 2 inches in on either side, and that is going to be the tongue piece, so it's going to go into the slot that I'm going to cut on the backboard piece. I'll show you that in a second. Basically it's going to go, I'm going to cut these down on the lines, and then I'll round off these edges, and that's going to be the seat. Then this piece, I marked off where the tongue piece is going to slip into. Here, here, just the camera so you can see that. Alright, so I'm gonna cut this out. I'm gonna mortise this out. It's called a mortise. You know, the tongue piece is gonna be a tenon. This is a mortise. The tenon slips into the mortise, and that's how that joint goes. So I'm gonna cut that out. I'm gonna cut this out, and then I'm just gonna use a file to kind of shape it until everything fits snug. And then I'm going to do some relief carving at the top here. Probably fill that in with some epoxy and make it look cool. One thing I should mention is that I do all my work in an apartment complex on my patio, so I'm always trying to be very conscientious of the noise. I'm doing this with power tools right now because I wanted to do it quickly and be more of a speed build, but you totally can do this with hand tools if you're worried with noise. So just keep that in mind as you're working. Well, my jigsaw hit a knot and it messed up the blade, so it looks like I'm going old school anyways. Now, if you wanted to, you can stop right here. You have a perfectly good, usable camp chair. Nice, strong, solid. You can stain it, seal it, and be done. But me, being the interesting individual that I am, I want to go that extra little bit. guys so much for watching. Like I said, go check out those other videos. They're really great. Those guys really know what they're doing. And if you happen to feel like it, go check out some more of mine. I try to put out as much as I can, and some pretty fun projects. But let me know what you think in the comments down below, what you thought of this build, future builds, and ones that I've done in the past, or what you'd like to see me build. Thank you guys again for watching, and take care.